Hello everyone, and welcome to Rise of Coding. In this video we will make progress bar with React. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I already created a React app, so now I will create a component called progressbar.js. First, we will import React from React. And it will be a functional component called progressbar. And we will return a simple div. And we export default progressbar. And then, we will add the state, const, filled, setFilled. And the initial value will be 0. And the other state will be isRunning, setIsRunning. And the initial value will be false. Inside this div, we will add another div with a class name of progressbar. And we will add another div. And we will add some inline style to it. Height will be 100%. Width will be filled %. Background color will be 0, 0, B, 2, 0, 0. And finally, the transition will be with 0.5 seconds. And after this div, we will add a span. The content will be filled %. And the class name is progress %. And here, we will add a button with a class name of btn. And we will add onClick function and setIsRunning to true. Now, let's save and add some styles. At app.css we will add some styles. App class name. Display, flex, justify content, center. Align items, center, margin top, 10%. Progressbar class name. Position, relative, overflow, hidden, width, 350 pixel. Height, 35 pixel. Border radius, 5 pixel. Background color, E. Progress % class name. Font weight, 600. Position, absolute, left, 50%. Top, 50%. Transform, translate, -50%, -50%. Color, 3E. btn class name. Display, block, margin, 5 rem, auto, border, known. Border radius, 3 pixel. Outline, known. Width, 100 pixel. Height, 40 pixel. Background color, 009900. Font size, 16 pixel. Color, 3F. Cursor, pointer. and btn on hover. Box shadow, inset, 100 pixel, 0, 0, 0, hash 00 cc00. Now let's save and have a look. First, we will import progress bar component to app.js. And now, we will run the project. Until now, it's not working yet. So let's back to progress bar component. We will add use effect. And the dependencies will be filled and is running. And inside the body, we will add if statement. We will say, if filled less than 100 and is running is true. Then, we will add a set timeout and set filled to prev plus 2 every 50 millisecond. Now, let's save and have a look. And now, it's working.